Oh, hiccups. Baby, you got hiccups, huh? He's not making the clicking noise anymore, though. Or it's very quiet.
Well, it wasn't like it was super loud in real life either. That phone amplifies.
Yeah. Hi. Like, what is that you got in my face, Daddy?
Okay. It actually is like the hiccups. He seems to calm down.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because they're so familiar. Okay.